Hi, Scott here, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to create a VLOOKUP in Excel. We're going to look up the price that we charge for rockfish, true cod, and halibut, and it's going to come from this table here. So, for rockfish, what the VLOOKUP is going to do is it's going to go down this column to find rock, and then it's going to go over to the column that we indicate, which is the price. So there's a couple ways we can do this. If we go to the formulas bar here, we can choose from this drop down and pick the VLOOKUP here. Or we could go to the function wizard and we can type in VLOOKUP, enter, and it'll come up with a list of hits for that function. They're both going to bring up this screen. So for the lookup value, it's what we're going to look up in that table. So in this case, we're going to reference cell A11 for the rockfish. And for the table, we'll go over here and we'll highlight A through J, with J being the price there. And column index number, that would be column 10 because J is 10 columns over from A. And for the range lookup, it's almost always going to be false because we want to find an exact match. If you put in true here, it'll give a partial match, and who knows what that's going to bring up. But I've never had to use true before, so we'll just type in false here. And it returned the value 165, which we can see over here is the price. So then I want it to look up for rock, true cod, and halibut, and I will just copy that down all the way to the end. Here I'm getting some errors, and I might just leave that there and create a formula later to clean it up, or I could just delete it. And that's how you create a VLOOKUP. Since this is price, I'm going to format that as dollars. And that's how you create a VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching.